Hello friends, hope so all are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect Bluetooth or how you can connect any other mobile or speaker or earphones with your Bluetooth in your Samsung Galaxy A03 or A03 core. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to connect Samsung Galaxy A03 or A03 core Bluetooth, simply first of all just tap on settings and go to Bluetooth settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.